Hey guys, welcome back. Have you ever accidentally formatted your SD card, deleted important photos, or lost files due to corruption or errors? Data loss is a common issue caused by accidental deletion, formatting, virus attacks, or even file system errors. The good news is, there's an easy way to bring your lost files back without complicated steps. Today, I'll walk you through the simplest method to recover data from a formatted SD card using 4DDiG free data recovery. 4DDiG data recovery is a professional tool that helps you recover deleted, lost, or formatted files from SD cards, USB drives, external hard drives, and even your computer. It supports over 1,000 file types, including photos, videos, documents, audio, archives, and many more. First, go to the link in the description and download the free version of 4DDiG. Install it on your computer. The installation process is very quick and straightforward. To demonstrate how it works, I'll delete some files from my SD card. You can also format the card to simulate real data loss. Now my card looks empty, but the files are still recoverable. Open the 4DDiG software. On the main screen, you'll see all the connected drives. Select your SD card and click Start. The program will begin scanning your card for lost files. This process may take a few minutes depending on the storage size. After the scan, you'll see all recoverable files organized by type: photos, videos, documents, audio, and more. Now here are some key features of the software that make recovery easier and more effective. You can choose between a quick scan for recently deleted files or a deep scan to recover files from formatted or corrupted cards. The filter and search option allows you to sort by file type, size, or even search by file name so you don't waste time scrolling through thousands of results. You can preview files like photos, videos, and documents before recovery to ensure they are intact. The software supports recovery of over 1,000 file formats, including raw images from cameras, MP4 and MOV videos, Microsoft Office files, PDFs, and even compressed zip or RAR archives. Another advantage is that 4DDiG can recover data from different scenarios, including accidental deletion, formatting, partition loss, virus attacks, file system corruption, and system crashes. It also works across multiple devices such as SD cards, USB drives, external hard disks, and even the recycle bin on your PC. Once you've selected the files you want to restore, click Recover. Choose a safe location on your computer to save them. Do not save recovered files back to the SD card you are recovering from, as this can overwrite and damage the remaining data. After recovery, open the files to confirm that everything is working correctly. For new users, 4DDiG offers a free recovery quota that you can activate directly inside the software. This allows you to recover files without paying immediately. If you need unlimited recovery, you can easily upgrade to the Pro version. And that's it. With 4DDiG free data recovery, recovering lost files from a formatted SD card is simple, reliable, and fast. If you've lost photos, videos, or documents from your SD card or any other storage device, give this tool a try. Download links for both the free and pro versions are in the description below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tutorials, and share your thoughts or questions in the comments.